Embaixador Suíça Olivier Hasoru Malu ho Presidente da República ho Koalia konaba Asuntu Sosial barai ruaninian. Terça-feira loro kraikni iha Palácio Presidencial bari dili Embaixador Suíça Olivier informa ia suru mutu se festaru ne Koalia konaba assunto importante balun hanesan problema humano problema companhia balun nomos importância atau promove democracia. Além de nei, Presidente Horta Mususuba nação ruani tem que hamutuk na fati pode colabora ho promove assunto social sira.
The great honor to speak with your president, and I already met him last time. He's an old friend of Switzerland. He was lived in Switzerland. He also worked a lot at the UN, and we spoke about UN issues. We spoke about general geopolitical issues, the new challenges each country is facing nowadays. And we spoke also about the importance of democracy, what we can do together as partners to promote democracy worldwide. And finally, we spoke also about the importance of investments in your country. So this is in a nutshell. So I think that what I wanted to say is that we need to get the private sector to be more interested into Timor-Leste. I think, well, Timor-Leste has to attract the private sector to come to here to buy their products or their services. But we also have some companies working in the what's the name of Tesla? What is the name of the Timor? Yes, we have some companies. So there's already some elements, but maybe the president talked about chocolate from Timor-Leste, coffee. I mean, these are possible products which could be exported to Switzerland. So the president is, I think the message is, as always, remain committed, and we are here to work together. So it's a message of partnership, of respect, which we really appreciate. Thank you.
Reportagem no Vai Magno, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.